What's up, cafe enthusiasts? Today we're gonna try the biggest Krabby Patty ever! And also, it came with this, so maybe we'll eat this first. Look at this shish kebab. Alright, that one was fire. You want the pickle? This is just an appetizer for the biggest Krabby Patty in the world! Now we're about to eat the world's biggest Krabby Patty! I think that we're gonna have a race. Who can eat the world's biggest Krabby Patty first?
Who will win?
Alright, hold it up to the camera. World's biggest Krabby Patty challenge. Ready, set, go. So hard. But that went too far in my throat. You can't chew it, dude. I thought it was supposed to be in my mouth.
Subscribe to me.
Swallow, fool. Struggling over here. I just want to take this time to thank all 2,000 of my subscribers. Maybe we'll do a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, and we'll give away the world's largest Krabby Patty. Look at that. Alright, it's been a minute and a half. Man, quite so.
This tastes like...
It tastes good, but it's so much.
So bueno.
Are you almost done? Oh, I just have the pickle chin left. We're all really close.
I think we're gonna go first.
Champion.
Done. 2 minutes, 52 seconds. We gotta slow down. See you later.
First
Come
loser.
on. 3:27, let's go.
Last winner.
Alright.
Subscribe or you don't love your mom.
Thanks for watching, guys. World's biggest Krabby Patty ever.